guys, welcome back to the channel. So this week we got something really awesome happening. I'm here in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. Here to capture some content for a company retreat. Bunch of activities, conferences, and things that we'll be capturing this week. So I'm really excited to really be dynamic, get some candid shots, and capture everybody. Super excited, so stay tuned and yeah, keep watching, guys. I have a laptop for editing purposes while we're here. Also bags of cables. Of course, we always need cables. Got some sunglasses, DJI Pocket 3, and behold, the DJI Flip Drone. So we will get to peek into this later on, but super excited to use that. I've packed this thing up and I even still have the sticker on it, as you can see, from San Jose. But great, it's perfect, it's very lightweight, and I just wanted to secure it a little bit more.
Which we visited today. Yeah, so hey.
Alright guys, we made it to day 2. I stayed up all night editing and organizing. I need some coffee, so let's go get that first. This has been a total success. We did a little beach day, we captured our keynote and activities, and it was a total hit. So I'm really happy with the way today came out. Nothing has overheated so far. The MacBook has gotten a little hot, but that's really about it. Otherwise, it's Cabo, baby. Just confirmed with my Google Calendar. It is day number 4. And so today we have some interviews lined up, and we haven't heard of it in a while. But we also have some conferences and stuff that we'll be recording as well. We found a great spot to edit, so we're gonna do that for a little bit. A lot of photos and videos of our team in action. So tonight we are about to do some pre-drinks, dinner. It's a vibe. So we're gonna go take a quick shower and head on over. Alright guys,
guys, so that completed our Cabo trip. We just did a silent disco night. The vibes were giving. Now it's time to get to editing, order some room service, and get ready for tomorrow. Head back to San Francisco.
So a huge thank you to everyone who made this experience possible. I'm incredibly thankful to have been trusted to document all of this. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, do all the things, and follow more behind the scenes. I will see you guys in the next video.